Assalamualaikum. I am Hafiza Tehreem Ikram.
I am Fatima Maqsood.
I am Fariha Nasir.
We are students of TPD 10th semester from Shifa Tamir Millat University. We are here to demonstrate our research project. The topic of our research project is a study to measure normative static balance in young adults, which is descriptive cross-sectional study. We are doing this study in the Biomechanics Laboratory of Department of Rehabilitation Sciences, Shifa Tamir Millat University. We are doing this research under the supervision of Dr. Syed Ali Hussain. The purpose of our study is to measure static balance using the Flamingo balance test to assess an individual ability to maintain a stable posture while standing on one leg, which can be indicative of overall balance, muscle strength in the leg and the core, and potentially serve as a marker for potential fall risk, particularly in young adults. Static postural control in young individuals is important as it will allow for the development of clinical programs more directed to the need of this population and avoiding comorbidities due to fall.
Our inclusion criteria will be aged between 18 and 25 years. Both genders will be allowed to participate. Participation will be completely voluntary and participation on the basis of consent will be ensured. Exclusion criteria will be if the participant has a history of lower extremity fracture in the last 1 year, or if the participant has a history of benign paroxysmal positional vertigo, if the participant has any congenital or acquired musculoskeletal deformity, or if the participant has any of the following conditions such as pes planus or cavus, genu valgum or varus, coxa vara and valga, if the participant is using hearing aids, or if the participant is not willing to participate in the study.
Our test will require a balanced beam of length 20 inches, width 3 inches, height 2 inches. We ask the participant to stand on a balanced beam with one leg barefoot. We ask the participant to bend the free leg and grip the back of the foot with the hand of the same side like a flamingo. We ask the participant to maintain this position as long as possible. Stopwatch will be used to record the time. The time will start once the participant achieves her balance. The time will stop once the participant loses her balance. Total of 3 tries will be taken for each leg. The total time for one leg will be 1 minute and numbers of falls will be recorded. After completing one leg, we ask the participant to switch to the other leg and repeat the same process. Scoring will be based on the number of falls made within 1 minute.
Now we are going to perform it practically. We are doing 3 trials on the right leg. Trial 1. Trial 2. Trial 3. Now we are going to take 3 trials on the left leg. Trial 1. Trial 2. Trial 3.
Average number of falls on right and left leg, 1.
Now if we talk about the practicality of this study, the study helps assess balance and coordination for athletes, especially in football players, gymnasts and martial arts. The study also offers its benefits in injury prevention by identifying balance deficiencies early on. The study is also applied in physical therapy for post-injury recovery, particularly in ankle and knee rehab. The study is also applied in neurological rehab of stroke patients by assessing their stability and fall risk. That's all for the video. If you have any further questions, you can reach out to us at the email addresses which are also linked in the description below. Thank you so much.